Hello, here's your tech informant. I hope you are doing well. So today I would like to, talk about YouTube promotion, that is paid promotions on YouTube. I've been getting these questions for not even months, for even past years about about paid promotions on YouTube. And I have this experience about paid promotion. I've done videos that I've done tons of videos on Google Ads, that is paid promotion on YouTube. And also one of my video is being hosted on the Google Ads support platform or support website. So if you go there, when you check for how to promote YouTube videos with Google Ads, that's my video. My video is the official reference video on the Google Ads website. So to show you that I've had good experience, I've worked with this tool for several years. If you're a content creator, I won't advise you to use paid promotions to grow your channel. That won't be the best option. I've worked with creators that have used it before, and at the end of the day, they discovered that they lost a lot of money. They lost a lot, their investments were just, wasted. So that's why some of you, when you reach out to me, I always advise you not to do. But if you feel that you want to do it, well, there's no problem about that. You can just test it and see. So one of the reasons why I will object using paid promotion to grow your channel is this. One, when you use paid promotion, it will only increase your views and your subscribers, but not necessarily engagement. And as a content creator, if you want to grow your channel, the algorithm needs that engagement, that retention. So paid promotion will not give you that. We can do a promotion of maybe a 5 minutes long video, and it will end up that the average video duration might not be up to 30 seconds. So that's how bad it is. So now paid promotion, YouTube promotions, Google Ads is specifically meant for entrepreneurs that have something to sell. Maybe you have a course you want to sell, or you have an ebook you want to market and all that. So if you want to use your channel to promote your product, then you can use Google Ads. But I won't even advise you. I won't advise you to use YouTube promotions. So I know some of you will be asking, what's the difference between YouTube promotions and Google Ads? I will explain that in another video, but let's just categorize all of them as paid promotions. So one of the disadvantages is that as a content creator, you need to build a community. You can't use paid promotions to build a community. To an extent, yes, you can use it, but to an extent. So I will give you an example of a video that I promoted sometime on this channel. So I will share this. So this video, I did a paid promotion on this video. I hope, okay. So this video, I did paid promotion on this video about 3 years ago. That was around 2022. This video is 16 minutes 20 seconds long. So, and I did a paid promotion on this video. The reason I did that was back then I was launching my AdSense masterclass. That is around 2022 through 2023. I launched my AdSense masterclass. So back then my channel wasn't that big, and I need to create an awareness about the AdSense masterclass. So the reason why I used this video was because it was very close to the D-Day, and I wasn't ready to make a dedicated video for the promotion. So I just decided to just pick one of the video I've already uploaded on my channel and use it for the promotion. So that's the reason why I used this particular video for the paid promotion. Typically, if you want to run a paid promotion, typically the video length shouldn't be up to 3 minutes or at most 5 minutes. It should be a short video. You just pass your message and that's all. So that's the essence of of paid promotion. So I did a paid promotion on my channel just to create an awareness about my AdSense, upcoming AdSense masterclass. That's back then. So now I will show you the analytics of this video. So currently the video has 54,700 views. The watch time hours is 3,100 watch time hours, and the estimated revenue is $492.85. So now you might be wondering, or you might want to ask, how much did I spend in promoting this video? Okay, I think if I could remember, I didn't spend up to $30 promoting this video. I'm very sure I didn't spend up to $30 promoting this video. And you might say, well, it was a huge profit. I didn't spend up to $30 and I earned over $400 with the video. Well, that's not the case. That's not the issue. So the reason why I'm bringing this out is that some of us, we've had people say that when you do paid promotion, it will hurt your channel or it will hurt the video. Yes, that narrative is correct. It's like yes, and it's also no. So with this video, it will see that it is no, because I promoted this video, but at the end of the day, most of the views, let me say like 99% of the views that came to this video was through, it was organic growth. So here you can see it's 54,700 views. You can see the impression, 427,000 impressions. Then if you check how viewers find this video, you can see that the top is YouTube search. So yes, back then I always optimized my videos for search. So as you can see here, YouTube search, external. Then if I come down here, you see YouTube advertising was like about 2% of the total views. So I did that promotion like about 2 or 3 months after I uploaded the video. So I just use it to do the paid promotion. And when you check the engagement, you see that the watch time is 3,000. The engagement, the average view duration is 3 minutes 28 seconds, which is not too good, considering that the video was about 16 minutes long. But that's one of the disadvantage of search. When most of your viewers are coming from search, most of them just come to pick the information they want and they leave. They're not there to to engage with the video, analyze whatever thing you have in the video. Yeah, from the audience tab, you can see that the top geographies are the United States, Nigeria, and Egypt. And on the revenue tab, you can see that the RPM is $9.02 and the CPM is $18.80. The video performed very well in terms of being the fact that we have this belief that when you do paid promotion on the video, it will die naturally. But this now counters that narrative. Although it's still true, when you do paid promotion, especially if you don't do it very well, it will hurt your channel and even hurt the video the more. Now, when it comes to YouTube promotions and Google Ads, like those of you that are familiar with promotions on other platforms like Facebook and Instagram. So like YouTube promotions is like Instagram ads. There are limited options that you can choose to do your to reach your target audience. But when it comes to like Instagram ads, when you want to do promotion on Meta platforms, you use Facebook ads, Facebook Ads Manager. That will give you a wider options options that you can use to get your targets or your target audience. So that's the same thing with Google Ads. So with Google Ads, you have a lot of options. Like for example, like YouTube ads. When you try YouTube promotions, it will give you the option to choose the country or the location where you want to target your audience, and at the same time give you the option of some interest. But when you use Google Ads, it goes a whole lot deeper. There are some awesome features that you can use. So if at all as a creator you want to make promotion on your channel, I will advise you to use Google Ads instead of YouTube promotions. You get the point? So I don't want this video to be lengthy. I just felt I was doing something. I just said, let me use the opportunity to explain this in details. But if you want me to go deep into YouTube promotions and Google Ads, how to do it, more technical things that you want to understand, let me know. Drop the topics that you want me to share in the comment section. And also, if you want me to do something like a free course on Google Ads or YouTube promotions, let me know in the comment section. If I get good numbers in the comment section, then I will try to do that possibly before the end of this month. So if this video was helpful, if you have other questions you want me to answer in my upcoming videos, drop them in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a like if it was useful, and if you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.